Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where this green line annotation is coming from, and that's where I want to first start off with the updates, and this update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So in the event the price does bounce up tomorrow, at any point, $1.15 is now going to be that key initial area of resistance to keep an eye on. If the price can push up through $1.15, next key level of resistance after that would be up there at that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself downwards as time unfolds. So keep a close eye on that, but as it stands right now, $1.15 is definitely that first level that needs to initially be broken. Now let's talk about areas of support, and this is where things get pretty interesting because while the price isn't quite there, it's definitely within the range and ballpark of this previous low. So not only is this an important level from a trading perspective, but just from an overall kind of quote-unquote storybook perspective, this low down here, which serves as a very important level of support at 95, 96, very, very important. Not only from a overall perspective, that's just simply the lowest this chart has been for a very long time. I mean, you scrunch up the chart and you get the point. I mean, it hasn't been down this low or I should say below there, because it's obviously been that low because it hit there. But as far as being lower than that, it's been a long time. And then from a trading perspective, as you can see, and I don't mean to state the obvious to you, but the last time the price was down around that area, a very, very nice bounce followed through. Now, I wish trading was this easy, and I wish I could say that because there was a nice bounce last time, there will for sure be another great bounce here. That's not quite how trading works. There's no such thing as a guarantee. Now, would it be shocking if there is some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking. But in the event there is some kind of bounce, we've already talked about the key level of resistances. Keep an eye on. All in all, though, interesting setup here taking place. And, again, very important level of support there. You definitely want to see that hold, or else that implies that the price is putting in lows that haven't been seen for several weeks. But as it stands right now, this general area is holding strong. So let's see if the bulls can produce some sort of bounce or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.